It's washer going. I'll put this on my YouTube channel. Also, the washer doesn't go for that long. It's adding more water. This is the good old Bosch classic. So make sure you enjoy the wash. Enjoy. Well, that's a very long tumble, that. Should have put it on rollings, but it's not that full. But anyway, cotton's dirty. That's fine. That's fine. It's gonna take some time to heat, so. Because I'm sorry about that squeaking. It's just Joey squawking like always. Did you see Joey? Don't know if you can see. There's Joey over there. Oh, I have another friend, Hetty, the vacuum. Hetty the vacuum's watching. Sorry about that noise, it's just on the telly. I'll just shut the door, so then I don't get the sound from the telly. That helps. That helps. Yeah, it's all peaceful. I love the pump on this one. It chugs as well, which I like. You can still hear the telly, but not much. Ooh, fast tumbles. That's a sign. That shows that is heating, I think. I can't tell. I can't tell if it's heating or not. There's some drips on the door, but yeah, that doesn't. Yeah, that doesn't. Oh no, it was a short tumble then. So now it's just short tumbles then. That's just hopeless. Should do long tumbles, like always. We can't. Either we can get a part 3 of this. This is probably part 4. Oh, I'll just move back a little bit. I love the door. Also, I've got Peter on top of it. There's Peter. Oh, that bin's full. You can't hear Joey still, but still. Nanan says that there is a nasty smell coming. So when it's on the spin, when it drains the water out, it kind of smells. So make sure to hold your breath, guys. I might get it all in one video. You can't tell if it's heating or not. Pardon me, that's just me burping. You can still hear Joey squawking, so if that's because if that's what you can hear, well, that's just Joey. Joey, I like Joey. So put the handle down. Probably not. Can't really tell. Can't really tell if it's heating. Ooh, that shows its main wash. It's main wash now. It should be spinning in a few minutes. Oh, which is also good. Dirty doesn't take long, which is good. Washing. I'm pleased about that. That it doesn't take long to wash. I'm just gonna hold my nose as it drains, because the water might smell. It smells like comfort or something. Or oh, this is the powder that Nana uses. She uses surf powder and Lenore softener. That's what my Nana uses. But this wash is gonna take a couple of hours. Oh, it's got that bit off the door, so, because it was there, but yeah, but the crows have dropped it down, so that's good. Probably like a droddy old mouse down there. That's just a that was just the freezer and I think there's an element that heats the water up to the maximum temperature that you want, like 30 or 40 or 60 or 90. That's the easy care side. That. Yeah, but the easy care tumbles because it doesn't tumble it doesn't tumble faster than it tumbles slowly on it doesn't tumble as much as on the cottons as it is on the cotton side. Yes, well on the cottons side it spins it tumbles more than like the easy care side, because the easy care is just for like your delicates and things, like your delicate browsers and delicate shirt that you're wearing. So that's alright. Yeah, it's been washing for ages. Feels like it as well. Oh yeah, it's that dirty now. Yeah, there's some steam, so that shows it's heating. That sound isn't just the freezer, it's just the element. It's just the element heating the water in the drum. There is quite a bit of water in there, to be honest. I mean, it's not much, but it's decent for the load. Because one, it's just a small load, and 3, it's more sensitive to adding more water. So that's why. I'm surprised it doesn't add any top up fails. I'm surprised. Should be spinning in about a moment. So shouldn't be long until it's the. This is just the washing video, the washing stage video. The next video should be the rinsing stage and the thing. So. I filmed the first spin on this video, so that's alright. It's been a long time. Oh, can I use this as my hanger stand? Let's see if it holds it. No, it needs something to hold it. Probably I'll just hold it there. Should be rinsing any minute. Oh, it should be. Yeah. Let's get closer. There we go. There's the options. Here's the easy cassette. Terrain. Spin. And off. So. So hold your noses. It doesn't smell that much. Probably it's just a softener inside it that makes it smell. Probably, but I don't know. Oh, top up feel. A little bit of a top up feel. That shows its main wash now. Or probably it's Chantal rinse. Probably. I don't know. Probably it's the Chantal rinse before the spin. Is it dirty? Yep. Yeah, it's dirty. It's that dirty degrees. So that's good. I'm going to cancel the video in a minute. Then we're on to the rinsing stage. So I'll see you in part 2, the rinsing stage. So in part 2. I'm not cancelling the video yet until it's reached 15. Goodbye, everyone. So then I'll meet you in part 2. Bye.